A 19-year-old worker lost his life in a tragic factory accident at Tina's Burritos in Vernon, California. He was cleaning a meat grinder when it suddenly turned on and pulled him in. Trapped inside, he screamed for help. Co-workers rushed to help, but despite his cries from inside the grinder, they were unable to turn off the machine in time. Police found no foul play. Investigators are now looking into how the machine started. This tragedy highlights the dangers of factory work and the risks workers face every day. Subscribe for more breaking news.